Question number 1. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter. Radius is given 6 centimeter and angle of sector is 60, that is theta is 60 degree. We know formula for area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is given 60, so 60 by 360. Pi is 22 by 7. R means 6 into 6. So 6 6 are 36. 1 6 will go. So answer will be 132 by 7 centimeter square is the area of the sector. Question 2, it is given, find the area of quadrant of the circle. Now, in circle, one quadrant measures 90 degree. Okay, so this we should find here. So theta is 90. Okay, and then circumference is 22 centimeter. So circumference is 22. That means from there, this value we can find r. Okay, so circumference is 22 centimeter. Let r be the radius. So 2 pi r is equal to 22. So 2 or r we can write 22 by 2, pi value 22 by 7. So 7 will go up. 22 cancel. Answer is 7 by 2 centimeter. This is r. Now we will find area of sector. So area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta we know it's 90. 360 into 22 by 7. R is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So C1 0 will go. 9 4s are 36. Okay. Then this will go with 11. 1 7 will go. So answer will be 77 by 8 centimeter square. Question number 3. Length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. So this radius we can consider 14 centimeter. Okay. Now find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So we should remember, see, this 12, if it is at 12 and 3, it will make 90 degree. Okay, so between 12 and 3, 1 and 2 are also there. That means this angle is 30, this angle is 30, this angle is 30, because 30 will give 90. So area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes means, suppose this area, so angle will be 30 degree and this area we should find. A radius is given, so what we will write? Angle is 30 degree. So area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. Suppose in same question they will ask for 10 minutes, then you should take 30 plus 30, that is 60. Okay, so formula is same. Since it is a sector, formula is same, sector area, but theta is 30. So 30 by 360, 22 by 7, r is 14 into 14. So 14 will go, this will go, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, then with 2 this will go, again it will go with 2, 11. So 11 into 14 divided by 3. So centimeter square. This is the area swept by the minute hand. Question number 4 is, chord of a circle radius 10 centimeter. This is chord. अब subtends a right angle. So this angle is right angle. At the center, find the area of the corresponding minor segment. So this area we should find, minor segment. This is the segment. Okay, So here what we will do, we will find area of sector, because this is sector, isn't it? This part is sector. We will find area of this sector and we will subtract the area of triangle. So this area we will get here. Okay. So to find area of sector, radius and theta we should know, that is already given. So radius is 10, theta is 90. So area of sector, okay, let it be A, B and C. Area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 90 by 360. Pi is 3.14 we should take, it is given in the question. R is 10 into 10. So this will go 9 4s are. Now see here, if we multiply this with 100, so decimal will shift. So finally answer we will get 314 by 4, which will give 4 7s are 28. Okay, 3 will remain, 4 8s are 32, 2 will remain, 4 5s are 20. So 78.5 centimeter square is the area of sector. Now area of triangle ABC will be what? Half base into height. So this is base and this is height. So half 10 into 10. So answer is 50 centimeter square. Now to find area, first part of the question, area of minor segment, that is area of sector minus area of triangle ABC. So 78.5 minus 50 will be 28.5 centimeter square. Okay. Now the next part is find the area of measure sector. Measure sector means this complete area. Okay, this area. So by two method we can find. We know area of sector formula is theta by 360. So we will find theta for this. So for complete circle theta is 360. So this 90 if we subtract, so this theta we will get 270. So by using this formula 270 by 360 into pi r will be same. We can find. Or else by which method we can find this? Since area, see measure sector is what? Area of circle minus area of minor sector. By that method also we can find. Okay. So what we will do? We will find by the second method, area of circle. Second part of the question, area of major sector is area of circle minus area of minor sector, which is 78.5. Okay, this we should remember. Here we have to keep this value. So pi r square minus area of minor sector is 78.5. So pi is 3.14, 10 into 10 minus 78.5. So again two decimal will shift. So 314 minus 78.5. So answer will be 5. Then 5. Then 2. Then 3 and then 2. Okay, so 235.5 centimeter square is the area of major sector. Question number 5. In a circle of radius 20 centimeter, 21 centimeter. This is a circle, 21 centimeter radius. An arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. So this angle is 60 degree. So three things we should find here. Length of the arc, that will find by r is 21 and theta is 60. So length of the arc will be theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Pi value we can use 22/7. Okay, so 7 3s are 21, then 6 are 36, 3 2s are 6, 2 will go, answer is 22 centimeter. This is length of the R. Now to find area of sector. Area of sector is also asked. So area of sector means theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is 60 by 360 into pi is 22/7. R is 21 into 21. So this will go 7 3s are 3 1s are 3 2s are. Okay. Then again 6 with 6 it will go. Then so 11 into 21. So we can write 231 centimeter square is the area of the sector. Now to find area of the segment, that means this we should find. So what we can do, area of sector minus area of the triangle. Now area of triangle, this angle is 60 degree. Okay, so that means height and base formula we cannot use. We should draw one height and then also we can find. That is the other method. Or else, since this angle is 60 and this is isosceles also. See, these two radius are equal. That means these two angle must be equal. Okay, so these two angles surely will come 60 degree. That means it is equilateral triangle. So that formula we can use √3/4 a square for area of the equilateral triangle. Okay, so we will show here x plus 60 plus x is in triangle, suppose ABC, 180. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 60, 120. So x is 60. Okay, therefore triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so area of equilateral triangle will be what? If side is given, √3/4 a square. So we will write √3/4. A is 21 into 21. So answer is 441/4√3. Okay, this is the centimeter square area of the triangle. Now third part of the question, area of minor segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. That is 231 minus 441√3/4 centimeter square. Question number 6. Chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter. Subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. So find the area of the corresponding minor and major segment. So this minor segment and major segment we should find. Okay, major segment means this area. So first we will find area of sector minus area of the triangle. That will give area of minor segment. So R is given 15 and theta is 60. So area of sector. Area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is 60 by 360. Pi we should take 3.14. R is 15 into 15. So this will go. Then with 3 we can cancel. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. From 2 we can cancel this one. Okay, 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are. So 1.57 into 15 5s are 75. So from 75 we can multiply this. So answer will be 5 7 117 0.75 will come. Okay, so this is centimeter square. Now to find area of the triangle, again since it will be equilateral triangle, so we will suppose this x. So in triangle ABC, 60 plus 2x is equal to 180, isn't it? So 2x is equal to 120, x is 60. Therefore triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So area of ABC will be what? Root 3 by 4 a square. So root 3 by 4, root 3 value is also given, 1.732, 73 only given, 4, a square means 15 into 15, okay. So from 4 we can cancel, 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, 1 will remain, 4 2s are 8. So 225 into 4, 0.432 we can multiply. So 225. Nine seven two zero. Okay, so after 3-digit decimal, so it will come only 97.2 centimeter square. So this is area of triangle. Now what we should do? Area of this sector minus area of triangle will give area of minor segment. So first part of the question, area of minor segment will be area of sector minus area of triangle. So 117.75 minus 97.2. So this will give 20.55 centimeter square is the area of the minor segment. Now to know the area of major segment, what we can do, since major segment is this part, so what we can do, area of circle minus this area we can find here. Okay, so area of major segment will be area of circle minus area of minor segment, that is pi r square minus this 120.55. So pi is 3.14, r is 15 into 15, 20.55. So 3.14 into 225. So this we should multiply. So we'll get 0, 5, 6 will come, 0 and 7, minus 20.55. This is after 2 digits, so 706.5 minus 20.55. Okay, so what we will get here, this will give 5, then 9, then 5, okay, then 8, 685.95 centimeter square is the area of the major segment, we can say.